Yeah.
Well, I was just buying random things to test, but now that I know it's good, I'll buy more of it next time for tomorrow.
Yeah, I do wonder though if like it sells well now
Bless
because it's your birthday, but tomorrow maybe it won't sell as much. I guess we'll have to see.
Whiskey in stock.
Wait, she already sneezed.
Like they're bored of
Moco-chan
fish.
sneezed.
I don't blame them.
Dirty.
Bibo, did you sneeze?
I sneezed before stream, remember?
Oh. Now Bibo and Narissa just need to sneeze.
I have sneezed.
I sneeze all the time.
I didn't do a full sneeze on stream. Bless you.
Yeah.
Where the sneeze is done.